Here, this is Ben with Vestel Futures Trading. We're back in the market, and of course, we already in a position. We've basically placed a position within the night, woke up to this. Of course, the price is still fluctuating on the understanding that we are going to short the market within the night. We have still about 70 minutes to see how this position go before the day profile is going to start. But I want to explain in a bit why we took this position. Of course, we understand the trend, we understand where we're at, and I'm going to always look on a bird's eye view. First of all, though, with the favorite position of the day will be the long position, because we are in a long mindset, and I'm going to show you how it's been done right here. We see the price going up and down, fluctuated, but with all this time we see the market rally. But we see this small opportunity, a window of time that we can basically short the market all the way to a specific area, and we see still how the market is going to basically reach a specific. We wanted to reach a specific point as we enter with 20 contract, and then we station over here and exit with 40 contract, basically making a double profit on the market. When I try to the market reach over here, is going to eliminate 20 contract, take a profit, and then push it back up. And with the uptrend, we're going to take this long position with it. So we'll try to create a double gain in each side. So this is part of the best sides of limit orders. If you're not in front of the computer and you know how to station it correctly, you can basically make a gain from both positions, shorting the market and buying the market. I see lately a lot of people started to trade futures. A lot of influencers now pushing this product to the shelf. Of course, this is not surprising. There's a huge advantage of trading future over stocks, let alone the tax payment, and of course the benefit of it. The market has been trading 23 hours within the day, just only one small 1 hour break. And of course, those of you who took the course already know that. Those of you who did not take the course, of course, it's been offered to you now for 3 days, completely free, and afterwards is only just a simple price of $29.99. Go educate yourself if you want to trade. If you want to know how to trade and dominate the market and do it in the right way, we offer the course to you completely free for 3 days. Go and try it. See if you like it. See if it's in your liking. Understand how you can create income from trading futures. The entry bar is so low. It doesn't have to bring so much money from the house. You always have the chance to get into the market with a very small amount and start to trade. Educate yourself and make yourself another income. I want to say also good morning to my Discord community and all the new traders that joined the server. It's a pleasure to see the server growing and this community is growing, so thank you so much. Of course, the new affiliates, all the new affiliates that joined the program, welcome aboard. Make money while you trade is within our Whoop channel, and of course within our website you can see all the details. It's basically within the Whoop you can get money for referring new traders. Make money while you trade. Of course, within the groups and within the Discord channel, I'm gonna go over more positions. So if you're not part of the group, join. We already see right now the market is we're about to cap 5,375. Of course, just this is one part of the play. While the play, we want to see it reaching over here and then created a double income. So we're gonna cover this within the group, and we see how the price is being handled. And for meanwhile, I want to wish you successful trading, and as always, I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.